Doctor, I want to go for a hair transplant, but please tell me, is there any side effect of hair transplant? So what should we answer them?
Yeah, so again, the same thing that any medical procedure can have some side effect, but some minor side effects like itching, swelling, redness, things like that, they are very common, happens in 5 to 10% of the cases. Self-limiting, that means it will subside in a couple of days or so, and nothing to worry about. There are rare side effects also, or dangerous side effects also. With more and more data coming, we are seeing that there have been rarely deaths reported after hair transplant, or case where the patient lost his vision. We saw it in the newspaper, this happened somewhere else. So all the safety protocols, if followed during a hair transplant is a very rewarding and very safe surgery. But very rarely there can be some allergic issues or some other problems. By allergy, I mean the allergy to the medicines which are being given, or if you have some medical problems which are not controlled, like diabetes or blood pressure, or having some blood thinners and things like that, then there are chances of some side effect. In a good clinic, they will always have a detailed form for you to fill, where they ask you about your medical conditions and medical problem. They get your blood test done in detail, not missing out on anything, so that when all these basic things are taken care, hair transplant is quite safe. But yes, there are side effects reported, and but in general, it's a very safe procedure.
Yeah, so the take home message we can say is that in general, it's a very safe surgery when all the precautions are being taken and you are in a good center with good people, good team, and you are taken good care of.